With a committed staff of knowledgeable specialists, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is a great option for boiler service in Santa Cruz, California. They offer a comprehensive range of boiler services, including installation, replacement, maintenance, and repair. Are you looking for a boiler service in Santa Cruz, California? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What is the most common problem with boilers? Leaks and pressure loss are the most frequent problems with boilers, particularly for Santa Cruz, California homes. Boilers may gradually develop little leaks that, while seemingly insignificant at first, can cause serious issues if ignored. What causes a boiler to leak? Leaks can also occur from high pressure inside the boiler, which is frequently caused by a broken pressure relief valve. Furthermore, unsecured joints or seals may be the source of leaks, especially in older systems with deteriorating elements. Where is your service area? Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is pleased to serve the following communities in California: Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, and San Jose. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, California 95060, United States. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, http://santacruzplumbingrepair.com, Santa-Cruz-plumbing-draining-water-heater-repair/